OnePlus has finally confirmed the OnePlus 13's launch date. The brand will hold a launch event on October 31st, and now the company itself has posted a quick official unboxing video of the OnePlus 13. The screen seems flat with extremely narrow while the Hasselblad logo has moved. OnePlus 13 official magnetic cases: Extreme Night Black, Extreme Day Brow, Weaving Night Blue, Sandstone Magnetic. And this is OnePlus 13 magnetic accessories: OnePlus magnetic protective case, 50W magnetic wireless turbine charger, 5000 mAh magnetic mobile power bank. The phone will stick to a triple camera setup on the back, a 50-megapixel Sony LYT808 primary sensor, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide-angle lens, new 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 telephoto lens, and a 32-megapixel front camera. The OnePlus 13 will be available in 3 colors. The black variant seems to have a textured finish. The blue variant appears to feature a dual-tone design with a white camera island. Regarding the white variant, it seems to have a plain finish. In terms of design, the OnePlus 13 features a micro-quad curved display on the front and a prominent circular camera module on the back panel. It will debut as one of the first phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, will feature up to 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.0. Oxygen OS 15 stands out as the best, surpassing One UI 6. However, the real comparison will come once One UI 7 is released, and then we can truly see which is superior. For now, Oxygen OS 15 takes the lead. Is that the phone will feature a BOE X2 display. It is claimed to offer improved brightness, better outdoor visibility, and enhanced eye protection. The OnePlus 13 will have a 6.8-inch AT LTPO BOE X2 screen with a quad microcurve design. It will offer a 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. It will have an IP68/69 dust and water resistance. The other big upgrade is that the phone will apparently have a 6000 mAh battery and pairs it with 100W wired charging. OnePlus announced a magnetic small turbine in China, 50W magnetic wireless charging device. The OnePlus 13 will have support for this.